So the great summer sale on Amazon is back and there couldn't be a more better time to grab yourself your favorite dash cameras. That being said, there are some amazing discounts on some select few dash cameras which I really think you should not be missing. And of course, if you've seen my previous two videos, you would have known that I bought up a list of the STARVIS-2 dash cameras under 10k, under 20k and above 20,000 rupees. So all these dash cams, most of them carry a large sum of discounts. So let's quickly dive in straight into Amazon and show you the kind of discounts you're gonna get on each dash camera. So this will be kind of an overview of all the dash cams and the exact amount you need to pay to purchase those dash cams. And in case if you like any particular dash cam and you like the discounted price, go ahead and grab it right now. The purchase links are given in the description below. Let's not waste any more of your time and let's jump in straight into the video. You're watching Gizmobeep. Let's get started. Starting off with the cheapest STARVIS-2 dashcam, the 70mm M200. Well, currently, as I'm seeing on the screen right now, the price is now currently discounted to 4728 as you're seeing right here. The general price is usually 4999, which is 5,000 rupees. So this is a reduction of about 230 rupees, and on top of it you get HDFC credit card discount of 500 bucks, bringing down the effective price to 4,200 rupees for the 70mm M200. That's a super awesome deal right there. That's close to 800 rupee discount on the dash camera. I mean, basically you can invest that same money in getting a memory card. So that kind of creates a combo offer right there. Within 5,000 you get the dash camera and you can also get a memory card, wherein previously you only had to shell out 5,000 rupees only for the dash camera. So 4,200, 70mm M200 steel deal, budget dash cam, STARVIS-2 sensor. Go ahead and grab it right now. The second option which I had shown you in my video is the 70mm A510, the front only variant. Let's check out the price right now. So if I do dive in right here, now usually this trended at a price of 9,999. So currently it is trending at 9,450. That's a reduction of 550 rupees right there. And on top of it, if you do add in the HDFC credit card discount, you are getting this camera at 8,500 rupees. That's a 1,500 rupee discount, close to 1,500 rupee discount on the 70mm A510 front only variant. Now do note that this gets STARVIS-2 IMX675, gives you a 3K resolution, gets GPS, ADAS, Wi-Fi, voice control, lots of amazing features, and this is one of the most highest selling dash cam in India right now. So the A510 front only variant coming in at about 8,500 rupees. And if I do jump into the dual channel variant shown right here, right next to the single channel one, usually trended at 13,999. Now it is currently priced at about 13,250 rupees. And if I do add in the HDFC credit card discount, you are getting it at 11,999. That's 12,000 rupees for the dual channel variant. So that's nearly 2,000 rupee discount on the A510 dual channel. Best time to grab this camera. Do not waste this opportunity. Go ahead and grab this camera right now at 12k. This is an amazing steal deal right there. Moving on to the next camera, I think we can check out the Cubo Pro 3K, the recently launched STARVIS-2 camera from Cubo. Let's check that out. Alright, so here is the Cubo Pro 3K, priced usually at 11,999, but with manufacturer discount, it's currently trending at 10,999. That's a straight up 1,000 rupee discount from the manufacturer. And if we do factor in the HDFC credit card discount, you are getting this at 9,800, or should I say 9,900 rupees. That's simply cool. Coming in from 12,000, now it's at 9,900. That's 2,100 rupee discount on the Cubo Pro 3K. So this dash cam gives you a super capacitor and gives you storage space of up to 1 terabyte. You get the same STARVIS-2 sensor, that's the IMX675, and coming in at 9,900 for the dual channel variant, mind it, not the single channel one. Amazing deal. Go ahead and grab this camera if you have a budget of less than 10k and you wanted a dual channel STARVIS-2 setup. Moving on to the next option in this list, let's quickly jump into the Redtiger F77 Elite dashcam. So this usually trended at 15 to 16,000 rupees, but right now, as we can see on the screen, with the manufacturer discount, it's come down to 15,500. That's a discount of about 500 rupees right there. With the HDFC credit card discount of 1,250, the price has come down to 14,300 for the F7N Elite. Still a good deal because this is a 4K camera, an upscaled 4K backed with a STARVIS-2 sensor, gets a 1080p camera. I mean, I had recently reviewed this camera. You can just take a look at the detailed review video, and it's got some innovative features such as it's got this rotatable design and many other useful and nifty features the Redtiger F7 and Elite STARVIS-2 back camera brings to the table. So coming in at a price of 14,300 is still a good deal to those who are looking specifically for Redtiger cameras and for those who are looking for a STARVIS-2 backed 4K dash cam. That being said, moving on to the next option at the 70mm S500. So this is a mirror dash cam, cheapest STARVIS-2 dash cam which you can get in the market. Usually trended at 17,999 I must say, and now currently it's at 17,000. But with the credit card discount of 1,250, you're getting this at 15,700 rupees. Again, that's close to 1,000 to 1,500 rupees discount right there for the 70mm S500 mirror dash cam. 15,700 is a good price to pay if you're looking for a particular mirror dash cam which can help you, which can assist you in taking reverse and provides you a large display, gives you picture-in-picture display, gives you side-by-side display of both front and the rear cameras, gets voice control. I mean, lots of very super cool features the S500 has, along with the fact that this gets STARVIS-2 sensor with a 3K resolution at front. Terrific deal. You should go ahead and grab this right now if you're looking for that perfect under 15,000, or should I say around 15,000 mirror dash camera. Moving on to the next best option. Now this was like a crazy option which I just saw previously, the 70mm A810. Let's check out the price right now. It's currently priced at 18,900, but I just saw this dash camera maybe about an hour ago. It was priced at around 16,000 rupees, and with the discount it was coming in at 15,000 rupees. Now this offer was like maybe lasted for a few minutes or maybe for a half an hour, something like that. I did see that offer and I had posted it on my channel as well. So currently this is priced at 18,900, usually priced at 19,999, but with the HDFC credit card discount you're getting this at 17,600. Do keep checking this page because they might just drop the price again and it might come to 15 to 16,000. Do make sure to check out this page consistently, and once you do get that offer, go ahead and grab the A810 at around 15 to 16k. Absolute steal deal, close to 5,000 discount. I saw that, I immediately posted on my channel, and I hope some of you have made use of that particular offer. But currently the price, they have hiked it up back again, so it's at 17,600. Still a good deal for a camera that comes at 20,000 rupees. So that's close to about 2,500 rupee discount still, even if you do consider the price right here. 17,500 rupees for the A810 is an absolutely good deal. Go ahead and grab this native 4K STARVIS-2 camera. This gets one of the finest video qualities within that budget range. Let's move on to the next camera which we can talk about. That's above the 20,000 segment. Let's quickly take a look at one of the most popular dash cams that's out there. That's the Redtiger F77. All right, here's the F77, priced at 25 to 26,000. Now with the manufacturer discount you're getting this at 23,900. that's about 24k, and with the credit card discount of 1,250 you are getting this at 22,600 rupees. Let's round it off to 500. You're getting this at 22,500 for a dual STARVIS-2 dual 4K camera. Absolutely gorgeous deal. I mean, 25,000 itself was a super crazy deal considering this is a dual 4K camera. Getting this at even lesser price of about 22,500. I mean, close your eyes and grab this camera right now. This is the best possible and the most value for money deal which you can ever imagine in this Amazon sale. The Redtiger F77 at 22.5 is a gorgeous deal. Simply just go ahead with it. Moving on to the next dash cam, the Wolfbox X5 Triple channel dash cam. One of my favorite triple channel dash cams because this is practically the cheapest STARVIS-2 back triple channel cam out there. And if we do check in, I mean the manufacturer discount, I don't think there is any manufacturer discount. The price pretty much is the same, 25,400. Only you get the credit card discount, but the credit card discount is 1,750 bucks. That's close to 2,000 rupees, and you can get this at 23,700, maybe 1,000 rupees more than the F77, but you get the additional extra cabin camera which is basically adding a bit to a triple channel variant. So the Wolfbox X5 coming in at 23,700. Amazing deal. I mean, all cameras are carrying tremendous discount, 1,000 plus rupee discount, and this is an opportunity for you. This is the perfect opportunity to those of you who are looking to buy dash cameras and save yourself a lot of money. That being said, moving on to the next dash cam, let's just check out the Wolfbox G900 Pro, the 4K STARVIS-2 mirror camera. This is one of the craziest mirror cameras out there. I have recently reviewed it on my channel as well. So coming in at a same price, no change in the manufacturer price, 25,900, but with credit card discount of 1,750, comes down to less than 25k. That's 24,200 rupees. Simply awesome. Again, coming less than 25k, a mirror dash camera, large screen, large display, reverse assist, 4k STARVIS-2. What more you could ask for? Amazing deal for 25,000 rupees. Moving on to the next dash cam, let's just take a look at the VIOFO A810 Plus. Let's see if it is currently in stock on Amazon. Yes, there is a stock of VIOFO A810 Plus right here. So no straight up manufacturer discount, 24,999 is the same price, but you do get a crazy HDFC credit card discount of 1,750 bucks, bringing down the price close to 23,000 instead of 25. That's super cool. I mean, 250 rupees extra, that's not going to matter much. You're going to get VIOFO A810 Plus dual channel at 23,000 rupees. The only way to get this camera at this range is during this sale. At other times, you're gonna have to shell out those extra 2,000 bucks. If you are someone who wants the top-notch quality from VIOFO and the best possible parking monitoring settings and the best customer service support in India, this camera is the one to go for at a price of 23k. That being said, move on to the next camera right here. Let's check out the VIOFO A810 Pro. So you have the dual channel variant, which is trending at 35,299, no manufacturer discount, but you get HDFC credit card discount of 1,750. So this brings down the price to about 33,500, originally from 35,300. Slight difference in the price. I mean, of course, that's not going to make much of a difference, but still there is a 1,750 discount on the VIOFO A810 Pro dual channel variant. So instead of 35 to 36, you're going to get it at 33. And if you do head into the triple channel variant, and let's just check out what the price is. It usually trends at 40,000 and the manufacturer price is still the same, 40,200. With HDFC credit card, 1,750 maximum discount, you get it at about 38,500 rupees. Good discount for a top-notch, should I say the king of dash cameras, right on top of the level, along with the VIOFO A810. Simply amazing. If you are looking for the best of the best, and you have kind of a no limit on the budget and you still want to save money at a price of 38,000, the VIOFO A810 Pro triple channel is simply go grab this deal right now. Let's move on to the next dash cam right here. Let's check out the 70mm Omni, the 360-degree rotatable dash cam with the dual STARVIS-2 sensor from 70mm, their most premium model which is available right now. No, the original price was 35 to 36 and manufacturer price is still the same. It's about 34,999, and with HDFC credit card discount of 1,750, you're getting this at 33,250 rupees. So savings of a standard savings of about 1,750 on all premium dash cameras. That's a good deal, right? It's not like 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 1,500. You're getting close to 2,000 rupee discount on all the dash cameras. To be precise, 1,750 discount. I really think that's something which you should consider, because those 1,750 rupees you can invest in getting a memory card or getting some other accessory along with the camera, and that helps you in saving yourself some extra load of money. And of course, that is something which we all try to do, and this particular sale is exactly for that purpose. Moving on to the next dash cam, let's talk about the Vantro N5 quad channel 4-channel dash cam. Now where is it? So here's the Vantro N5 coming in at about 33,999. With the credit card discount, you get this at 32,200. Now do note that this is a 4-channel dash camera, not 1, not 2, not 3. You get 4 cameras for 360-degree plus coverage around the car. So superb video quality, STARVIS-2. I mean, what can you expect? Vantro is a very reliable brand and a very popular brand. You can check out the review video on my channel for the Vantro N5. Getting this at a 32,000 rupees is also a good deal, amazing deal this summer sale. I'm really happy with the kind of discounts they're offering on all the premium dash cameras. So let's move on and just take a look at one of the most premium dash cameras, should I say the king of dash cameras out there. Let's talk about the VIOFO A329. Now, where's the A329? Yes, it's right here. So this is currently a single channel variant. I don't think there is a dual channel variant currently available on Amazon, but if you are interested in getting the dual channel variant, I'll provide you the link in the description below of the website. You can directly purchase from the VIOFO website. That's my affiliate link. But the single channel variant usually trended at 35,000 rupees. Now it's coming down to 32,800 with the HDFC credit card discount. Superb deal. Single channel variant, but of course you can always purchase the rear camera separately if you are interested. But if you directly want to purchase the dual channel variant, you can find the link in the description as well. So I guess this was the list of all the STARVIS-2 cameras that are present out there, and all of the cameras getting a good amount of discount, getting a good amount of offers. Definitely what I expected, and definitely what I would love for you all guys to go ahead and purchase right now, because you are going to save a lot of money if you do purchase right now within this sale duration. Don't waste this opportunity. Don't wait for the sale to end. The prices will be coming back up pretty soon. Just as you saw in the A810, the price was 16,000. With the credit card discount, it came down to 15,000. That was the actual deal right there. But now they've again hiked the prices, so this hiking will continue. So before they actually hike the prices, go get these dash cams. Do not waste this opportunity. All the purchase links are given in the description. This is your best opportunity to save yourself a lot of money. So I hope this video has helped you out to some level in getting to know an idea regarding the discounts on dash cameras. And if this video did really help you out, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video in all of your friend groups who are looking to buy dash cameras. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.